is Staley right there. Okay. Now I'm making a right turn on Staley, which is southbound. And as you can see, I'm coming up on a 30-mile-an-hour speed sign. And as you can see to the left of the speed sign is point B or point A. Truck again, coming in. There you go, point A, there's the truck. Double zeros. We're going to go here, we're going to go to point B. There's point B right there. Actually, point B is right about there, which is almost past the truck, completely almost. Point 03. Now, that's 50 to 55 miles an hour, people, because it takes 0.07 to do that. I just showed you from point A to point B, 30 miles an hour. It takes, and that's what the speed limit is in this road.
Sheriff's Office, this is Penny speaking. How can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to report a red Chevy Silverado speeding in our neighborhood.
Okay, where did this occur?
Staley Road. The vehicle was headed south towards Luckett Road. So it's Staley and Luckett.
Okay, what is the telephone number you're calling me from?
I don't wish to give you that.
Okay. And what was the vehicle doing?
About 55 miles an hour, according to my clocking. In a 30-mile-an-hour residential road.
Okay, and what kind of vehicle was it? You said red?
Red Chevy Silverado. License plate number 293 Nancy Mary Mary.
Nancy Mary Mary?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mary Margaret, how's that?
And he was going towards
Luckett. Yes, ma'am. At a high rate of speed, according to my clocking. I got him doing 0.3. It takes 0.7 to go by my points at 30 miles an hour. So you figure out what that is.
Okay.
According to my chart, that's 50 to 55 miles an hour in a 30. Alright, ma'am. You have a good weekend.
You're not following and you don't want contact, correct?
No, ma'am, I do not.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And I will post this on your website.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come to jackass. There he goes. There goes